back. In this video, we are going to talk about the for loop. So let's get started. So let's assume that I want to print hello world 5 times on the console. So one way to do it is console.log hello world, and then I can repeat it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then let's run the code. So there we go, we got hello world 5 times on the console. But this is an ugly code, let me say, because there is a much better way to do it. The way to do it is by using for loops. So let's see how can we write a for loop. We start with the word for, then we have something called the initialize expression, which is like a very technical term, but let's call it as a starting point. And normally we refer to it as a variable. We call it I, because it's index, so we want to start from 0. Then we will have a condition when the for loop is going to stop. So I want to stop when I is less than 5, because we are starting from 0, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one is, let me call it the step. So we remember we used the increment operator before. So each step is going to be 1. I want to increase I by 1. And let's print hello world. Run our code on the console, and we get the same result. So let me clear the console and try to break it down in a simple way. So I'm going to print I also with the string hello world, save and print, and as we see over here, so the starting point was 0, I was 0. Then we will go to our condition, is 0 less than 5, yes, so we increment I by 1, and we print the string hello world. Then I is 1, it's still less than 5, we print hello world, we go to the next step, 2, still less than 5, 3, still less than 5, 4, still less than 5, then we add 1. This condition is not true anymore because now I is 5, is 5 less than 5? No, this is not true, so we are going to quit the for loop. For example, another way of doing it, we can set I to 1, and then we will do less than or equal to 5, and if we run the code, as we see over here, it started from 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. It's 5 because we added here, it's less or equal to 5, so this is still true. We add 1, so now I is 6, 6 is less than, and it's not equal to 5, or actually it's greater than and it's not equal to 5, so we are going to quit the for loop. That was it for loops, and see you in the next video.